My topic is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and explain and go to the topic. Let's go start. Search Engine Optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the ranking of a website on search engines like Google. When a website ranks higher in search results, it is more likely to be visited by users, which can lead to an increase in traffic and revenue for the website owner. There are many different techniques and strategies that can be used to improve a website's ranking, including on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and technical SEO. On-page optimization refers to the content and HTML source code of a web page, and includes factors such as keyword usage, title tags, and meta descriptions. Off-page optimization refers to the factors that affect a website's ranking that are not directly on the web page, such as the quality and quantity of links from other websites. Technical SEO refers to the underlying technical aspects of a website that can impact its ranking, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and the presence of any technical errors. The goal of SEO is to increase the visibility and accessibility of a website in search results, which can help to drive more qualified traffic to the site and improve the user experience. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is a set of practices designed to improve the appearance and positioning of web pages in organic search results. Because organic search is the most prominent way for people to discover and access online content, a good SEO strategy is essential for improving the quality and quantity of traffic to your website. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it means the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for products or services related to your business in Google, Bing, and other search engines. The better visibility your pages have in search results, the more likely you are to garner attention and attract prospective and existing customers to your business. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is the process of taking steps to help a website or piece of content rank higher on Google. The key difference between SEO and paid advertising is that SEO involves organic ranking, which means you don't pay to be in that space. To make it a bit simpler, search engine optimization means taking a piece of online content and optimizing it so search engines like Google show it towards the top of the page when someone searches for something. If you own, manage, monetize, or promote online content via Google search, this guide is meant for you. You might be the owner of a growing and thriving business, the website owner of a dozen sites, the SEO specialist in a web agency, or a DIY SEO expert passionate about the mechanics of search. This guide is meant for you. If you're interested in having a complete overview of the basics of SEO according to our best practices, you are indeed in the right place. This guide won't provide any secrets that'll automatically rank your site first in Google, but following the best practices will hopefully make it easier for search engines to crawl, index, and understand your content. Search engine optimization, SEO, is often about making small modifications to parts of your website. When viewed individually, these changes might seem like incremental improvements, but when combined with other optimizations, they could have a noticeable impact on your site's user experience and performance in organic search results. You're likely already familiar with many of the topics in this guide, because they're essential ingredients for any web page, but you may not be making the most out of them. You should build a website to benefit your users, and gear any optimization toward making the user experience better. One of those users is a search engine, which helps other users discover your content. SEO is about helping search engines understand and present content. Your site may be smaller or larger than our example site and offer vastly different content, but the optimization topics in this guide apply to sites of all sizes and types. We hope our guide gives you some fresh ideas on how to improve your website, and we'd love to hear your questions, feedback, and success stories in the Google Search Central Help community. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the visibility of a website or web page in a search engine's on-page results. The higher a website or web page ranks in the search engine's results, the more likely it is that the site will be visited by a user. SEO can be thought of as a set of best practices that help a website rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. SEO includes a number of tactics and strategies that can be used to improve a website's ranking, including keyword research, identifying the words and phrases that users are searching for when looking for products or services similar to those offered by the website. On-page optimization, making changes to the content and structure of a website to make it more visible to search engines. Off-page optimization, building links from other websites to the website being optimized, in order to increase its visibility to search engines. The goal of SEO is to attract more qualified traffic to a website, which can lead to increased sales, leads, or other desired actions. Do you have any specific questions about SEO that I can help with? Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the ranking of a website on search engines. It involves making changes to the website's content and structure to make it more attractive to search engines and improve the user experience. The goal of SEO is to increase the visibility and ranking of the website on search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo, which can help to drive more organic traffic to the site. SEO can be divided into two categories: on-page SEO, which refers to the optimization of individual web pages, and off-page SEO, which refers to the improvement of a website's ranking through activities outside of the website. Some common techniques used in SEO include keyword research, content optimization, and link building. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the ranking of a website on search engines like Google. When a website is optimized for search engines, it is more likely to rank higher in the search results for relevant keywords, which can lead to increased traffic to the site. There are many different factors that can influence a website's ranking, including the quality and relevance of the website's content, the structure and organization of the website, and the presence of external links pointing to the site. There are many techniques that can be used to optimize a website for search engines, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. The goal of SEO is to improve the visibility of a website in the search results and drive more traffic to the site. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the visibility and ranking of the website or web page in search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The goal of SEO is to increase the quantity and quality of traffic to a website by improving the ranking of the website in search engine results pages, SERPs. To optimize a website for search engines, webmasters and SEO professionals follow a set of best practices that help the website rank higher in search results. These best practices include things like optimizing the content of the website, using keywords effectively, improving the website's loading speed, and building high-quality backlinks. There are many different factors that can impact a website's ranking in search engines, and SEO professionals use a variety of techniques to try to improve a website's ranking. Some of the most important factors that impact search engine rankings include the relevance of the content on the website, the quality of the website's backlinks, and the user experience of the website. Overall, the goal of SEO is to increase the visibility and credibility of a website, which can lead to more traffic, more leads, and more sales for the website. Is there anything else I can help with? Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the ranking of a website on search engines like Google. SEO is important because it helps to improve the visibility and accessibility of a website, which can lead to increased traffic and potentially more business. There are many different factors that can influence a website's ranking on search engines, including the quality and relevance of the website's content, the structure of the website, and the number of external links pointing to the website. There are many different techniques that can be used to optimize a website for search engines, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and off-page optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the ranking of a website on search engines. It involves making changes to the website and its content, as well as external factors such as links from other websites, To improve the visibility and ranking of the site in search engine results pages, SERPs. The goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid, traffic to a website and improve the search engine rankings of pages on the site. Some common techniques used in SEO include keyword research and analysis, content creation and optimization, link building, and website structure optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, refers to the practice of optimizing a website in order to improve its ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. This is done through a variety of techniques, including on-page optimization, making changes to the website itself, off-page optimization, building backlinks from other websites, and technical SEO, making changes to the website's infrastructure to improve its ability to be crawled by search engines. The goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid, traffic to a website by making it more visible in search engine results. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of optimizing a website or web page in order to improve its ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. By improving the search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. SEO involves making changes to your website design and content to make your site more attractive to search engines. The goal of SEO is to have your website appear higher in the search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords or phrases, which will bring more visitors to your site. SEO can be a complex and ever-changing field, but it is an important part of any online marketing strategy because it helps to improve the visibility and discoverability of your website. Search engine optimization, SEO, refers to the practice of improving the ranking of a website on search engines like Google. When a website ranks higher on a search engine, it is more likely to be visited by users, which can lead to increased traffic and potentially more business. There are many factors that can influence a website's ranking on a search engine, including the quality and relevance of its content, the use of keywords, and the strength of its backlinks. SEO professionals aim to improve a website's ranking by making changes to the website itself and by promoting the website through various online marketing strategies, such as link building and content marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the visibility of a website or web page in a search engine's unpaid results. These unpaid results are often referred to as organic or natural results. SEO aims to improve the ranking of a website or web page in the search engine's unpaid results for specific keywords or phrases. The goal of SEO is to increase the amount of organic traffic a website or web page receives from search engines. This is achieved through a variety of techniques, such as making sure the website's content is relevant and useful to users, using keywords appropriately in the website's content and metadata, and making the website's structure and navigation easy for search engines to understand. Search engine optimization, SEO, refers to the practice of increasing the quality and quantity of website traffic by improving the ranking of a website on search engines. SEO involves making certain changes to the website design and content that make the site more attractive to search engines. These changes may include the use of specific keywords or phrases, the creation of high-quality content, and the use of backlinks from other reputable websites. The goal of SEO is to increase the visibility of a website in search engine results pages, SERPs, in order to attract more visitors and potential customers. SEO practitioners use a variety of techniques to improve a website's ranking, including on-page optimization, making changes to the website itself, off-page optimization, building backlinks from other websites, and technical SEO, optimizing the website's technical infrastructure. The ultimate goal of SEO is to improve the user's experience by making it easier for them to find relevant, high-quality information through search engines. This specialization will teach you to optimize website content for the best possible search engine ranking. You'll learn the theory behind Google search and other search engine algorithms. You'll also build practical, real-world skills that you can apply to a career in digital marketing or online content development, including on-page and off-page optimization, optimizing for local and international audiences, conducting search-focused website audits, and aligning SEO with overall business strategies. Each course is intended to build on the skills from the previous course, thus we recommend you take the courses in the order they are listed. The specialization culminates in a hands-on capstone project, in which you will apply your skills to a comprehensive SEO consulting task. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.